All right, little dude. You're messing with me. All right. Whew.
All right, guys.
So then down here you do
Guys, let's take a look.
50% of 20, right?
So how do I find the width?
Just 10.
It's going to be the highest minus the lowest, which was, hopefully most of you guys should have used 5 classes of it. So then that ends up to be 1.6, so you round it up to 2. So the classes should be 2 apart when you create this thing. So I'm going to have 65, the next one should start at 67 then. And then 69, 71, 73. So it's going to go up to 1 less, and now you can go up by 2, up by 2. You can do it, Jeff. There you go. Now it's really kind of tight, right? It's only like 165 to 66. But that's because my data is not very spread out. There's not going to be a lot of 4-foot tall dads, not a bunch of 8-foot tall dads. They're all going to be around the average. How frequently does somebody show up here? I think you got like 1, 6, 6, 3, 4, right? Okay. I didn't ask for a relative frequency, so you didn't have to do that for this problem. And then if you go to make the histogram, if I do it this way, I've got to do it this way. Right? Oops. If you did it the inequality way, you put nice whole numbers up there. It's always nice. And then my frequency, I want to go up to 6. Might as well just go by ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is frequency. This is height. Yes, it would be, because they didn't ask for that. I'm not going to kill you on that. I mean, you did more work than you were supposed to, but still. Pay attention to what it is I asked you for. So this first class is going to go up how high? All the way up to 1. And then all the way up to 6. The next 2 are up to 6, right? So bam. And then 3. And then 4. So not a very normal distribution at all. I like it. Is that cool with everybody? I like it. P17. So what's the first step?
Find 17% of 20.
Okay, 17% of 20. That's 3.4. Rounded up to 4. So the fourth number is the answer. In order. It's got to be in order. So when you put it in order, the fourth number is?
67.
67?
Yes.
And then same thing here. First step, 72% of 20. Yeah. 14.4. 15th number is the answer. The 15th number was 72. Oh yeah, let me know if you can't see what I'm writing. I don't use this projector much. Now, this used to be grades, and then I changed it to heights of fathers because I had a lot of data from the survey from you guys. So this used to make more sense, but oh well. This question is a more conceptual question. If you are at the 35th percentile, what does that always mean?
65% of the students did better.
Oh, zoom out or zoom in?
Zoom out.
Out.
Right there.
So yeah, directly it means that 35% scored, or whatever it is, below you. Which alternatively is 65% scored higher. So on a grade, that's a bad place to be. All right? I like it. Okay, and then finally, this little dude, let's see, low, Q1, Q2, Q3, high. There's so many repeats in this data that this work actually comes out to be pretty easy. The low and the high are 65 and 73. Q1, 1/4 of 20 was 5, so you average the 5th and the 6th, but they were both what? 68. Same kind of thing happens on each of these. Half of 20 is 10, the 10th and 11th, but they're both what? 72. And then 3/4 of 20. I like it. You guys are like, just get there, Jeff. What is it, sorry? Q2 is 70. And then 72. Okay. Thank you. Alright, what's important there is the work, and then if you got them in order, you just got to count your way in. If they're both the same, you still have to show me work. I still need to see, because you could have just got lucky. Didn't even know you're supposed to do, and you just took the number and you got lucky. No, that doesn't happen with me. You got to show me some kind of work, so I know you're doing the right thing. So here again, I start at there. I start at, let's say, 65. I need to go up to 75. So maybe I'll go by 2s. What? 65, 67, 69, 71, 73, 75. So then I got 65, I've got 68, I've got 70, I've got 72, and then I've got 73. So there you go. Kind of gives you an idea of the spread of the data too when you do this. This is data really spread out. No. Yes? No, it depends on what scale. I don't know why I went to 75. I was trying to figure out my scale while I was doing it. So you can stop at 73, that's fine. It depends on your scale you pick. Okay, let's take a break. I don't care if you don't want one. I want one. So come back at, let's say, 10 after.